Is your garage door refusing to open or close? This frustrating issue could stem from problems with the opener, remote control, sensors, or even a simple power outage. Don't let a stuck door disrupt your routine or compromise your home's security. If you're in the Huntley area and facing these problems, help is just a phone call away. Reach out to us at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is on standby to diagnose and fix your garage door issues promptly. Call now and restore the convenience and safety of a fully functional garage door.